Low-Tech Magazine, direct solar power, off-grid without batteries. Using solar panels without backup infrastructure makes renewable energy production much more affordable, efficient, and sustainable. August 25th, 2023. Written by Krista Decker. Translations available in French, Dutch, Spanish, Italian. Conventional solar installations do not question our dependence on fossil fuels and the energy-guzzling lifestyle that results. Both rooftop solar panels and large-scale solar farms provide us with all the power we want, even when the sun is not shining. That is because these systems use the central grid, which largely runs on fossil fuels, as a kind of battery to cope with power shortages. Although grid-connected solar panels can reduce the fossil fuel consumption of thermal power plants,